Wise has revolutionized how individuals and businesses manage their finances internationally. A cornerstone of its service is the ability to deposit funds into your Wise account. This video will provide a clear and concise explanation of how to add money to your Wise account, with a focus on the methods available. Understanding the project. Funding a Wise account. From a project management perspective, enabling users to deposit funds into their Wise accounts is a critical subproject within Wise's overall service portfolio. This involves defining objectives. The primary goal is to allow users to transfer money into their Wise accounts efficiently and securely. Identifying stakeholders. Key stakeholders include Wise users, banks, and payment processors. Managing constraints. Constraints include regulatory requirements, security protocols, and technological limitations. Ensuring quality. Success is measured by the speed, reliability, and ease of the deposit process. Wise supports several methods for depositing money, each with its own set of procedures and considerations. It's important to note that Wise does not accept cash deposits. Accepted deposit methods. Here are the primary ways you can add money to your Wise account. Bank transfer. This is a common method for transferring funds electronically from your existing bank account to your Wise account. Wise provides you with specific bank details, which vary depending on the currency you wish to deposit. These details may include account number, routing number for U.S. accounts, sort code for UK accounts, IBAN for international transfers, SWIFT/BIC code. You will need to initiate the transfer from your bank's online banking platform, by phone, or in person at a bank branch. Debit card. In many cases, you can use a debit card to fund your Wise account. This method is generally faster than a bank transfer. You will need to provide your card details, including card number, expiry date, CVV, card verification value. Wise supports major debit card providers like Visa and MasterCard. Credit card. Similar to debit cards, credit cards can also be used to deposit funds into your Wise account in some situations. However, it's important to note that using a credit card may incur additional fees from your credit card provider, as these transactions are sometimes treated as cash advances. You'll enter the same details as you would for a debit card. Other digital wallets. Wise also allows you to add money using digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. This provides a fast and secure way to deposit funds directly from your mobile device. You'll need to have your bank card linked to your digital wallet. Step-by-step guide to depositing funds. Here's a general step-by-step guide on how to deposit money into your Wise account. Step 1. Log in to your Wise account. Access your Wise account through the website or the mobile app. Step 2. Select the currency balance. Choose the specific currency balance to which you want to add funds. For example, if you want to deposit US dollars, select your USD balance. Step 3. Initiate the deposit. Click on the Add Money or a similar button. Step 4. Enter the amount. Specify the amount you wish to deposit. Step 5. Choose a deposit method. Select your preferred payment method from the available options: bank transfer, debit card, credit card, etc. Step 6. Provide payment details. Enter the required information, such as your bank account details or card information. Step 7. Review and confirm. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount, currency, and payment information. Confirm the deposit to initiate the transfer. Important considerations. Verification. Wise may require you to verify your identity before you can deposit funds, especially for larger amounts or initial deposits. This usually involves providing identification documents. Processing time. The time it takes for the funds to arrive in your Wise account varies depending on the deposit method. Bank transfers typically take longer, 1 to 5 business days, compared to debit/credit card deposits, which are usually processed within minutes. Fees. Wise charges fees for depositing money, and these fees vary depending on the amount, currency, and chosen deposit method. These fees are transparently displayed before you confirm the transaction. Your bank or card issuer may also impose their own fees. Limits. Wise may impose limits on the amount you can deposit, which can vary based on your location, account type, and the currency you are depositing. Currency conversion. If you deposit funds in a currency that is different from the currency of your Wise balance, Wise will convert the funds at the mid-market exchange rate. Security. Wise employs robust security measures to protect your funds and personal information. However, it's crucial to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Why Wise doesn't accept cash deposits. Wise operates primarily as a digital platform, focusing on electronic money transfers. Accepting cash deposits would introduce several logistical and operational challenges, including physical infrastructure. Wise would need to establish physical locations or partner with third-party agents to handle cash deposits. Security risks. Handling cash increases the risk of theft, fraud, and money laundering. Operational costs. Processing cash deposits is more labor-intensive and expensive compared to electronic transfers. By focusing on digital transactions, Wise can maintain its efficiency, keep costs low, and provide a streamlined experience for its users. Alternative solutions for depositing cash. If you have cash that you want to deposit into your Wise account, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Deposit cash into your bank account. Visit your local bank branch or use a cash deposit ATM to deposit the cash into your existing bank account. Step 2. Transfer funds to your Wise account. Once the funds are available in your bank account, you can then transfer them to your Wise account using one of the accepted electronic methods, such as a bank transfer or debit card, funding your Wise account with ease. While Wise does not support direct cash deposits, it offers a range of convenient and secure electronic methods for funding your account. Whether you prefer the traditional bank transfer or the speed of a debit card or digital wallet, Wise provides a user-friendly process to get your money into your account. By understanding the available options and following the outlined steps, you can efficiently manage your international finances with Wise.